Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the Garmin. Insert the micro SD if you have maps, then charge to at least 50% so updates won't fail. Mount the unit where the screen is visible and stable. Vibration ruins satellite lock. Power on, accept the initial prompts, and set your language and units, kilometers or miles, so readings match your preference. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or Garmin Express on your computer to prepare for map and firmware updates. This prevents delays later. Next, configure maps, satellites, and preferences. Update firmware and maps through Wi-Fi or Garmin Express. This fixes bugs and improves routing. Make sure GPS and GLONASS or Galileo are enabled for faster satellite acquisition, and save your home and usual addresses as favorites so routing is one tap. Calibrate the compass per on-screen prompts and adjust brightness and screen timeout for battery life. Once calibrated, take a short test drive or walk to confirm the unit acquires satellites and shows accurate position. Now you navigate and conclude your trip. Enter a destination, choose a route type, fastest, shortest, or bike, and start guidance. Follow on-screen arrows and voice prompts. During travel, you can stop route guidance to reroute or save a track for later. After you finish, sync your activities to Garmin Connect to preserve history. If something goes wrong, restart the device first, check the micro SD and Wi-Fi, update maps, and perform a soft reset if the interface freezes. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.